Here are the spelling words for this week. What the words have in common is that they've got a vowel and then three consonants and then another vowel inside of them. So remember, the vowels in our alphabet are A, E, I, O, and U. Our consonants are all of the other letters in the alphabet that I didn't just mention. So I'm going to show you the rule for these words, and then we'll read them together, and then you'll be ready to move on to what you're doing with the words for today. So the vowel consonant, 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 vowel pattern looks like this. You've got the word surprise right here. Inside of the word surprise is the vowel U, and then comes the consonant R, followed by a second consonant P, followed by a third consonant R, and then it's closed in by the vowel I. I wanted to point out in the word supply that the same pattern applies, but that we've got one letter that usually acts as a consonant acting as a vowel this time. So in the word supply, you've got the vowel U starting that pattern. The U is followed by the consonant P, which is followed by the second consonant P, which is followed by the third consonant L, and then in this case, the Y is actually acting as a vowel. Okay, so these words have that vowel, consonant, 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 vowel pattern. Let's go ahead and read them together just one time. 100, supply, single, middle, explain, surprise, pilgrim, sandwich, instead, complete, monster, settle, address, farther, sample, although, turtle, athlete, orchard, kingdom. These are review words. Secret, weather, author, declare, mischief, purchase, Arctic, harmless. So those are your words for this week. Now you're ready to move on to the job that you're going to do with them.